everybody, welcome back to my channel. So recently, of course, as always, I've been on Instagram because when do people just not go on Instagram? So I went on Instagram the other week actually, and I came across this weird video. If I can remember the name of it, whoever posted it, I'll leave it down below in the description box, but if I can't find it, I'm very sorry. But I came across this girl, I don't know who she is, and she was taking off her makeup with shaving gel. I was like, can it really come off? I'm going to give this a go. I'm very nervous because this is something you don't think to take off your makeup with, and I kind of hope it works because obviously we always have shaving gel in, so when I have a moment of oh my god, I have no makeup wipes, I guess I can use this, so let's give it a go. So I'm going to give it a shake. This is really, really bizarre. Something I never thought I'd do, but I like to trial and everything's. The cats are looking at me like, what is she doing? And I also put a matte lipstick on because Kylie Jenner's matte lipsticks take forever to get off. Clock? No. Oh my god, actually. Oh my god, it's actually come off so well. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, it's proper come off. It's a bit patchy. A little bit on. I'm really nervous for the eyes. God, I'm so nervous. I don't open my eyes because I'll end up opening both eyes. No way. It's kind of getting everywhere. It actually works. Off. Like, this is like, that's off straight away. Oh my god. Well, my makeup's being took off for the evening now. I feel like even just in the shower, and if you don't like have a flannel, you could just pop it on in the shower, wash your face with it. I'm going to put some on the lips because the reason why I put the Kylie Jenner matte lipstick on is because we know how hard, from many people reviewing it, how hard it is to get the Kylie Jenner lip kit off, like the lip matte lips, because it can be pretty difficult. So no, it's hard. I feel like with anything it's pretty hard. I'm not like full on scraping my makeup off as well, by the way. I'm just lightly like just going on my face. I'm not really like, but yeah, it does take some time to get this matte lipstick off. Oh my god, I never thought to use shaving gel to take off my makeup. Like, whoever this girl is, hats off to her because I've never seen this before. Right, I'm just going to quickly go over my face again to get off any bits I've missed out. You know, if like shaving gel's on offer and like none of your face products are, I'd go for the shaving gel. This is insane. Well, I am makeup free. It's not really stinging me. I am so shocked at how well this has took it off. To be fair, Dermacol is really hard to get off. Like, even when I use my normal face products, I do have to use like products with the little tiny like little bits in it. It feels like sand sort of thing. When I use my Dermacol, I always have to use that because Dermacol is supposed to be waterproof and it is so hard to get off. But I feel like this has just took it straight away. Like, and to be fair, like sometimes when I've been scrubbing at my face to try and get my makeup off, especially with Dermacol, like my skin is normally like red, you know, like when with like the tops of my arms sometimes when I'm like exfoliating and things like that, I go like a little bit red because my skin is super sensitive. Is this sensitive? Sensitive. That could be why. Shocked at how well this has worked. I can't even like describe how well this has worked. You'd be in the next best makeup remover because it's come off for me, it's worked for me, and my skin feels incredible right now. Did I not get told about this sooner? Yeah. If you were to give this a try, please let me know in the comments down below how well it went, or tag me on Instagram, tag me on Twitter, tell me how it went. Yeah, all my links are in the description box down below. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Again, as I said, please remember to hit the subscribe button. It'll be somewhere along here. So if you want to see more me trying out videos, and even the thumbs up button. But yeah, I'm just shocked right now. And I hope you're having a really nice week, and I'll see you again on Saturday or Sunday. I'm not too sure which day I'm uploading this week, but yes, I'll see you again later on in the week. I hope you have a good week, and I love you lots. Bye. How has this worked? Like, what the